I am Sandeep Bhoyar, presently holding the position of president at Invince. I have been a part of Invince teams since start, I can say. Okay, so overall, I have spent near about 19 years with the Invince team. My tenure at Invince began in 2004 as a developer, and I have progressed through various roles, I can say. Just like might be a developer, senior developer, then technical manager, senior technical manager, then product manager, senior VP, technology, and currently holding the position as the president of the product.
Your experience at Invince, and you've held various roles at Invince. Could you walk us through some highlights of your journey?
My journey at Invince has been fantastic, I can say. In the beginning, I transitioned from being as a developer to the senior technical manager. My earlier focus was on the technical part of any application development. So how to build the application, how front end, back end, everything works for the application development. As I progressed, I learned how to lead the teams, various teams, and understand how the application security and other aspects we need to consider while building any enterprise level application. At this point, we have already started moving from the customer application to the SaaS-based application. So our focus was implementing the SaaS-based application. Earlier, we were building a custom application for the customers.
How has your experience across different departments influenced your approach to product development?
Later on, I transitioned from the technical manager into the product management role. Considering my overall experience, I got the opportunity from management to explore my strengths in the product management stuff. So I accept that and moved on with the product management in my later stage of life, I can say, in terms of experience. And it helped me understand the things in better manner for any product-based company. Just like, for example, I got an opportunity to lead the business analyst team and along with the technical team. So I can understand entire ecosystem from customer perspective to the execution. So that meant I was involved in everything from creating the roadmap for the customer and company perspective to execute the product at every stage. So that opportunity I got in the later stage. During this time, I worked closely with the marketing and sales team to create a product material, might be a product roadmap, understand market needs, conduct a pre-sales activities, and integrate the product with the website, so that we can reach out to the leads in mass scales. So that was our experiment we have conducted in the marketing. Now, as a president of product, I have the opportunity to explore more in terms of technology upgrade. I can say bring more services and products into our portfolio so that our e-learning journey or might be a company journey will be get enhanced as per the market need and all.
Learning before and after lockdown.
E-learning has been popular globally for last 15 years, but during the lockdown, especially in India, it demand increased significantly considering all this lockdown scenario or COVID scenario, I can say.
How did the shift to remote work and increased demand for e-learning during the lockdown impact Invince's operations?
The concept of lockdown and work from home was initially unfamiliar to the team, so that was little bit challenging, I can say. But however, our established bond between the team members and coordination proved invaluable, I can say, especially considering the average tenure of the team member at Invince was 5 years. So we are familiar with each other, and working from home and coordinating with each other was pretty much easy. Working from home provide us the flexibility to extend our work hours. That was the flexibility we had. Even we don't have to travel and all. So that is time saving, I can say. So we have utilized our time in a better way in the lockdown. And it was pretty much flexible and encouraging, I can. So considering all the scenario. Within a month, I can say, we successfully adapted the new environment and prepared ourselves for the execution of the task, I can say, or challenge.
Could you elaborate on the adjustments Invince made to meet the evolving needs of customers during the lockdown period?
In lockdown duration, our main focus was on enhancing and customizing the feature and workflows of the system as per the practical need. So this might be include the ILT sessions, and considering the hybrid mode, we have introduced mixed mode for the ILT session and VILT. So we have started building a hybrid session, and we have integrated various VC tools, virtual classroom tools, I can say, Teams, GoToMeeting, Zoom, and a lot of tools we have integrated in the system. And for easy onboarding, we have tried to incorporate APIs of various HRS systems which are popular in the market, and we have implemented the various HRS integration in the system so that customer can easily get onboarded and start their learning journey in their company. So that thing we focused. In terms of security, we focused on the GDPR workflows, along with that IT security and application security.
Plans for technology growth.
We are focusing on two things: automation of the things. So we are using a PaaS service from I can say 3-4 years, but we are trying to enhance the PaaS utilization for execution, deployment, and everything. That is our primary objective as a technology growth. And along with that, we are planning to introduce AI and generative AI based product and services, along with the cutting edge technology just like a React and Spring Boot. Definitely we are working on Java itself, but Java brings latest framework, and we are trying to utilize the other facilities they have provided, or might be a frameworks they have provided, so to enhance the technical growth of our company.
Could you provide some insights into the integration of AI and generative AI into Invince's products? How do you expect these technologies to enhance user experience?
Our plans for AI and generative AI are simple. So based on considering the flexibility and facilities provided by AI, it provides two facilities. One is the decision making by collecting all the information, and another one is content generation. Definitely eLearning industry is correlated with the content. So we are trying to utilize the power of generative AI to create the content and deliver to the end user easily. So that is one objective. Along with that, AI can take a decision or suggest a decision based on the data analysis. So we are trying to utilize that and provide or build the services and products around it, so that L&D expert or any person who want to learn something or understand something, he will get a decision suggestions automatically. So that is our focus, I can say, for AI, and we have plans to launch new services and products in that direction.
Any suggestions? AI and generative AI are rapidly evolving. How do you believe these technologies will shape the future of e-learning?
AI and generative are getting stronger every day. So companies should pay attention and focus to this technology and create the products or services to help the end users. So that is my suggestion. Along with that, I can see it is definitely going to impact on the how we learn. So everything is going to change in near future in terms of learning. Might be educational learning, or might be online learning, or might be any type of learning. So we need to keep a track of AI, how AI is delivering the things, and need to drive our roadmaps accordingly. Thank you for inviting me for this podcast. Looking forward for more sessions, I can say. Have a nice day.